Hey everyone, welcome to my channel. Now I'm going to be doing a basic tutorial here on how to set up your first NFT and how to sell it on a digital marketplace. Now the NFT world has really hit the news recently, especially with the launch of these two major sites called Opensea and Rarible. Now, when you think of a site like OpenSea, think of it as almost like an eBay. When eBay first launched, you could go on the website and you can search for different products and buy them. Obviously, with eBay, they ship directly. With this, it's an entirely digital marketplace where you can sell art such as GIFs, music, PNGs, and so on. Any kind of creative digital media that you want. Now, when a person lists on creates an NFT and they list it on OpenSea, it creates a token, and that token is one of a kind. So no one can duplicate that token. So when a person goes ahead and buys this piece of artwork, they will own the original copy for the set price. Now the set price in OpenSea and Rarible is Ethereum currently. So as you can see, the current value of 3 Ethereum is around $6,885.84 in US dollars. So when the winning person decides to buy this NFT, they will pay this price or pay the 3 Ethereum, and they will own the original copy of that. Now, the great thing about NFTs is that if you are an upcoming artist or an established artist, you can really go on here and share your original artwork. And it's basically like an art gallery, but a digital art gallery. Where one person owns the rights to that, but other people can still resell that if you allow them to as well. So if you go to the OpenSea, we can go to create here, and then you can have these different collections. So for example, I created this collection here for my music called the Viaan Neon Collection. Now in this collection, I'm still working on uploading some of my artwork, and this is just the first one I've created here. So as you can see, I have this anime girl in a glass cube artwork that I created, and if you look over here, this is the original here. Now I'm trying to sell this as an NFT. So the first thing you're gonna do is when you're on OpenSea, you will go and register an account, and you will sign in with a wallet. Now when you sign in with a wallet, it can be a Coinbase wallet or it can be the MetaMask wallet. There's a few other ones you can choose from, and you authenticate with your profile there essentially. When you get access to that and you have signed through that wallet, you're going to go ahead and add a new item. And when you find this here, you're going to be able to, it's going to send a notification, and as you can see in the top right corner, it just sent me a notification from my computer to my wallet, and I have to authenticate there. And that just basically means it's you trying to post the item on there. So after I did that, it granted me access to this page where you can upload your file, name the file, which is the NFT name, and you can add an external link. So if you have a website, you can add it there, and it will be featured in the about description of this NFT. Now I would recommend adding a NFT description in here. It tells the users of the platform what they will be buying. And the good thing too about selling an NFT is that you can offer, instead of just a digital product, you can offer a physical copy as well that you will ship to them. So if you enter a description here, then in the unlockable content, after someone buys the NFT, you can say, please send me your shipping address and so on. And once they do that to your email.com basically, then you can actually ship them the physical NFT if you want to. You can ship them a framed version of your artwork to be extra incentive for people to actually buy your NFTs, which I think is a really cool way to do it. I mean, some people here, they don't do that. They just sell the PNG or the GIF file itself. But there is people that are selling products that are physical as well. I mean, on OpenSea, you can also sell different things such as music. You can go on different websites too as well, and really just get to know, what the best website is for you. So that's a basic tutorial on how to create an NFT. I'm going to be creating more tutorials here in the coming weeks on more detailed process on how to promote yourself on these websites and really how to start getting your first sales as well. Because with any digital product, you're going to have to promote yourself a bit before you start to get those first sales to come in. So thanks for watching this video. I do appreciate your time, and I'm wishing you a great rest of your day. Cheers.